line up the nose and mouth right in the center, between the eyes. Now, align these points like this, to get that slight head tilt he's known for. This alignment is the one that really sells it. Matching these heights is what makes him look like him. When you go over the lines in pen, use that pass to clean things up too. The body flows in soft curves, that round, huggable shape. Check how I line up these parts up. It just clicks into place. And now, color brings our Pompompurin to life.